Hello everyone, I'm glad that you're here and I welcome you. I want you to see this image optimizer app, how it works, and how it help you to reduce image file size while preserving important metadata like exchangeable image file formats. This is the UI. As you can see, it's very simple and self-explanatory. But what is this app about, right? In image optimization, it is a process of reducing the file size of images without affecting their quality. This is very useful for faster website loading that will help you save storage space and perhaps improving user experience. But how this app works, right? Let me take you to the code. Let's see. All right. So here we're going to start with the main UI, right? When you upload an image, the app reads the file and sends the information to the background worker. As you can see, this is going to be the main entry, and this is the UI. I put the drop zone file right here, and this drop zone file has an input and uses a use callback, and a use callback will return a memorized version of the callback that only changes if one input has changed. In simple words, anything that comes in the input, it will make the app reactive. So when you put an image or a bunch of images in this drop zone, the UI is going to read it and it's going to send the information to the image worker. Right? The worker uses a canvas to recode the image. For JPEG format, it compresses the image using the quality settings. You can adjust it. For PNG, it optimizes transparency and color data. This image worker file, it just processes the logic. Some helpers in this library directory, it has an image, and this is just helpers. As you can see, this is going to just rename the file format and replace it. And then the queue, it's a very important helper because this is what it's going to clean up all the exchangeable image file format. But what's going to do the heavy lifting is this image worker file. This is what encodes the image file format. And then this helper, it's called the exchangeable image file format. This is what extract and insert any and preserving metadata that is important for the file without losing quality. The other important thing, it uses local storage. This is just part of the web browser, right? And then I have the model, which is just the preset for the controls and workers. And this file, it's another important part of this application because this is what it's going. Once the optimization is complete, it will download all your images. But before that, before you download all the images, before this file does his job, it's gonna preview all the images and it's gonna compare the before and after. Yeah, so this image tag right here, it's gonna preview the before, and this image tag, it's gonna preview the after. But why is this app right? What is the takeaway in this app, right? Um, it's just to help you save storage if you require to upload pictures. Um, I'm gonna give you a small preview here. We're gonna do thumbnails, web thumbnails, right? And let's get the web, and then let's choose this file. So let's see if I can detail. Yeah, there you go. So as you can see, this size, I already have this images for showcase. The size is 1500 kilobytes. So we're gonna select them. We're gonna open them. And this preview is how much you save the total. So it's gonna save you 3000 kilobytes out of 3100 of both pictures. This is the original, and this is the web thumbnail. As you can see, the quality is a little bit less because it's a web thumbnail and the format, right? So 34 kilobytes is going to come total. So once I got this pictures out, I'm going to download them. And let me pull them right here. Let's go to downloads. I'm going to extract them, put them in the same spot. Right. And this is what is the app about. I turn it into a web file, and then it reduces the size of it. this is what the app is supposed to do. And then let's just delete them. Well, that's all for this application, and thanks for watching. And if you want to try the app or learn more about it, how it works, I will add a link to the repos to the GitHub repo. Thank you.